I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Changes by XXTenations on piano. First, let's break down the song into manageable sections. You'll want to identify the main melody played by the right hand and the underlying chord progression for the left hand. Practicing each hand independently is crucial before attempting to combine them. This approach helps you build confidence and accuracy from the start. For the right hand, the melody of Changes is quite straightforward, primarily utilizing notes from the C major scale. Pay close attention to the rhythm and the emotional phrasing of the main theme. Start at a very slow tempo, focusing on hitting each note precisely. Gradually increase your speed as you become more comfortable, aiming for a smooth and expressive delivery. Now let's focus on the left hand. The core chord progression for Changes involves C major, G major, a minor, and F major. Experiment with inversions to keep your hand position comfortable and minimize large jumps. Your left hand provides the rhythmic foundation, so maintaining a steady tempo is key. Practice transitioning smoothly between these chords, ensuring each one rings out clearly. Once both hands feel confident independently, it's time to combine them. Begin at an extremely slow pace, focusing on the coordination between your right hand melody and left hand chords. A metronome is your best friend here, helping you maintain consistent timing. Remember, short, focused practice sessions of 15 to 20 minutes are often more effective than one long, tiring one. Enjoy the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.